Clearing your search history on Airbnb can help you maintain privacy and improve your search experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Airbnb app or website. Launch the Airbnb app on your mobile device or visit the Airbnb website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Access account settings. From your profile menu, select account or settings. This section contains various options related to your account and preferences. Step 4. Find search history. Look for an option labeled search history above privacy settings. This is where you can manage your search history and related data. Step 5. Clear search history. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice if prompted, and your search history will be removed. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Airbnb, ensuring a more personalized and private experience.